and daily routine. Yes, so student, you are getting bored, no? Oh, from today we will change our routine. I mean, the class with the new routines. What is that? It's your favorite rhyme. From today we will start a day with one rhyme. Okay? That will help you in a learning also and hear your online class easily. Okay? Which rhyme shall I start? With red apples? Can you start with our red apples rhymes? Yes? Yes. Sit properly and listen to the rhyme. You repeat the same thing with me. Okay? Red apples, red apples, hanging on a tree, hanging on a tree. One for mummy, one for daddy, and all for me, and all for me. Red tomatoes, red tomatoes, cut into three, cut into three. One for mummy, one for daddy, and one for me, and one for me. Red cherries, red cherries, very sweet, very sweet. Not for mummy, not for daddy, and all for me, and all for me. Roll that red ball, roll that red ball, down to town, down to town. Bounce that red ball, bounce that red ball, down to town, down to town. Yes? You all got happy? Yes, clap yourself. Yes, from today onwards we will start our day with the rhyme session. Yes, children, you also have to recite the same thing. Andre, what do you mean by recite? Andre, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ recite ಅಂತೀವಿ. Okay. Now, shall we start our class with our language, that is English. Yes, till now we learned all the long vowels. Yes, long vowel words. What are those? E, E, A, I, A, E, A, Y, I dash E, O dash E, O, W, then U, U dash E, W, and the last one is double O. We learned, no? Yes. I'll taking the same Discover Phonic book. Can you open the same Discover Phonic book? In that last page, the last page, they have given the I can read word families with short vowel sounds. I can read word families with short vowel sounds. Okay. First is, which is the first family? E. We learned, no? Deep, sleep, peep, heel, peel, weeds, green, speed, sweet. These all are E family. And also the EA family. This is which vowel, children? Long vowel family of E. Beak, eel, leak, meet, read, seal, seed, speak, treat. So many words they have given. Today we are revising division of long vowel E. What is that? E and EA. Both we revised. If you want, you can read in sentence also. What is that? In the page number 3. They are given the sentence, the jeep is in the deep pit. Keep the seats in the back. And also the page number 5. Tim eats up the beans in a pot. Kim has 10 beads in the box. Okay. These two sentences you can read. I know already you got thorough with all these things. You can read anything, whatever we can ask you. Because you already read all those things. No, just you do the revision of the same thing, children. Yes, understood? Any doubt in this EE family? Okay. Now I am going to a sight word. Till now, how many sight words we learned? Like A is, the, up, go, far. So many sight words we learned. No? Today we are going to learn and. And ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ meaning ಏನು? Yes, what is the meaning of and? Yes, tell me, what is the meaning of and? Mattu. Okay? Okay, children. Can anyone tell me the meaning of and? And ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಮತ್ತು. Me and you ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು. Red and blue. Red ಮತ್ತು green ಅಂದ್ರೆ and. A and D. What is the meaning of and? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಮತ್ತು. Like children and mom. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ. Okay? And I write some sentence using this and. Okay? Red and blue. Red and blue. Next is I saw a cat and a dog. Okay, I saw a cat and a dog. Like that. I and you. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ನೀನು. Like that. The birds and tree. Okay? The flowers and leaves. Like this, you can make so many sentences using the side word and. What is the meaning of and? Mattu. Example, ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ parents. We will go to market ಅಂದ್ರೆ I and my parents with my parents went to a market. Like that you can make a sentence. The homework is, children, make 6 sentences. Okay, 6 sentences using side word and. Okay, make 6 sentences using side word and. Where you have to do? With the 4 lines book. Okay, this is for your English. Now we will move to next concept, that is maths. What we were learning in the maths, in the numbers? Can anyone tell me? Yes, we were in the maths We were learning numbers 61 to 70. Today we are going to learn the number names. 61 to, yes, 61 to 61 to 70. What are those? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Okay? Yes, I, X, T, Y, 61. Yes, I, X, T, Y, 62. Yes, I, X, T, Y, 63. Yes, I, X, T, Y, 64. Yes, I, X, T, Y, 65. Already you know the number names from 1 to 10. Only you need to learn the 60. Okay, yes, I, X, T, Y, 66. Yes, I, X, T, Y, 67. Yes, I, X, T, Y, 68. Yes, I, X, T, Y, 69. Okay, the last one is 70. Yes, E, V, E, N, T, Y. Yes, E, V, E, N, T, Y. That is 70. This is the number names from 61 to 70 children. Practice at home, it will come to you. It is very easy. Already you know the spelling of the 60 also, and 1 to 9 also you already know those things. Now fresh, in the fresh thing you need to learn the 70 spelling. The homework is in your mathematics readiness book. Page number 40. What they have given there? Trace the numbers and number names 61 to 70. Write here the today's date 15 and also your name in that, and you need to trace both the things, the numbers also and number names also. Okay, and another homework is in your box book. Write number names 61 to 70 one time. In your box book you have to write the number names 61 to 70 one time. This is your maths homework children. Understood no? Read it once or twice, you will come to know the number. It's very easy for you. Okay? Shall we move to our next class? Yes, that's our EVS. In our general science, what we were learning? Yes, it's a plants and trees. Yes, correct, no? Plants and trees. Till now we learned what is a plant, what are the parts of a plant and how it will grow. The growth of the plant or the stages, how the plants will grow, that is called a germination of plant. How it will grow? First, we need to sow a seed. From the seed, the roots will spread. The first root always comes upside the soil, and all the branches of the roots will grow inside the soil to make a plant with a full of strength. Then the stem will grow with the branches outside the soil. That becomes, the stem will stand with the support of the root. In the stem, what will grow first? First, you can see the small leaves. Then it will turn to a big leaf. After that, what will grow, children? Yes, the bud will grow. Bud andre mogu. From the bud, either you can get a fruit or you can get a flower. Okay. In some trees, after getting a flower, flower will convert it into the fruits. For example, pomegranate. Okay. Like that, you can see the stages of the growth. For the growth, what is very essential? The water and sunlight, children. Today, we are going little bit elaborate with the parts of the plants. Already we learned no parts of the plant. Yes, the first one is roots. As I told you, this is very essential for the plant. Yes, why the roots is very essential? Yes, it will fix the plant. Roots ಇಲ್ಲದೆ plants ಕೊಡೋದು ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ರೂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? Root it fix the plant. How? Why it is very essential? Because it supplies lots of minerals to the plant. Okay, first point, and fix the plant and fix the plant. Correct? No? It fix the plant. The second one is stem. What is the use of stem, children? Yes, it carries or supplies. It carries or supplies water to the plant. Plant ಗೆ ನೀರು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಈ ರೂಟ್ ಇಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಗೆ. ಒಂದು ಗಿಡ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆಂಟ್ plant, okay, you just soak that plant inside any colored water. If you see in the morning, that colored water line will be arrived inside that plant. You do experiment at home, children. Okay, next is root, stem. We will go to third one is leaf. Leaf, what is the leaf of use of leaf? Yes, leaf will be which color? Green color. What is the use of leaf? It observes oxygen from air. Correct ಅಲ್ಲ? ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಂತರನೇ ಉಸಿರಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಏರ್. ಏರ್ ಇಂದ ಅದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ what? The fourth one is seeds. Where you get the seed? In the flower. What is the help of the seeds? Helps in reproduction. Reproduce. Okay? Reproduce ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ನ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ನ? ಎಸ್, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಗ್ರೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊಸದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ seed helps in reproduce. The last one is our flower. What is the use of flower? To attract the birds and what? Insects. For pollination. Pollination ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಕಲರ್ನ ಅದು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ suck any seed in the middle of the flower and they will go and throw it in the soil without their knowledge. So in there the new plant will grow. These are all the uses of the parts of the plant, children. Yes, understood? Okay, the homework is as usual, draw a picture of hibiscus. Okay, why I am giving the hibiscus on the children? Because it is easy to draw. Okay, draw picture of hibiscus plant and write the uses. Okay, uses of parts. The parts already I have written over here: root, stem, leaf, seed, flower. You can write the same uses or you can write your own thing. After learning with the help of your mama, you can write the new thing also. What are the uses of the parts of the plant? That you have to do the homework. Draw a picture of hibiscus plant and write the uses of parts, children. Yes, understood? Okay. I hope everyone understood today's class and enjoyed the rhyme session also. Complete your homework day by day basis. Take